What can you expect from this course? So by the end of this course, you should be able to perform accurate and efficient data entry using tools like Excel and Google Sheets. Number 2, you should be able to conduct efficient online research for things like lead generation, competitor analysis, and content development. These are things that virtual assistants are doing for their clients. Number 3, outcome. You are supposed to be able to use basic automation and productivity tools that you will learn in this course. Then finally, you should be able to understand data privacy, issues about formatting standards and reporting. When you are handling data, privacy is an important concept or principle that you need to observe in order to work with someone who is a professional or someone who is in the corporate worlds. Data protection is important because of threats like cyber security. So we will learn these things by the end of this course. You should be able to do at least 4 of them. So thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video.